For today's video, we are going to do a bullion knot. I am working on Vase of Beauties is the name of the pattern, and I'm using a size 8 pearl cotton and a size 3 milliner's needle. You definitely need a milliner's needle for this project. So you're going to pick the spot that you want your bullion. You are going to bring your needle up from the back. You're going to go about 1/4 of an inch away. You can change this length, making your bullion any length that you would want, but I'm going to start with 1/4 of an inch. I'm going to come back up in the same hole that the thread was coming out of. I'm going to leave the needle in, and I'm going to wrap it about 8 to 10 times. When you're wrapping, you want the distance of the thread to be about the same. So you want this space here to be about the same as this space here. That's what's going to give you a nice even knot. Then I use my thumb to hold all the stitches tight and pull through. Then when you get to the end, you're going to pull it down towards the bottom and put the needle to the back. Now if you want to do 2 in a row that are touching each other, I'm going to do the next one above it. So once I pull it through, I'm going to go up here and then come about 1/4 of an inch away and back up in the same hole, wrapping the needle so that it's about this long. So it looks like this one will be maybe about 8 wraps again. Putting my thumb over all of the wraps, holding them in place, pulling the needle through, and then continuing to pull it back down towards you. Now if you get a little spot that's uneven, you can take your needle and kind of spread them out before you put the thread to the back. And then once you're done, just pull it to the back. This is a really fun stitch to just add a little bit of dimension. On here I did it on this blue all the way around the outside of the flower. Thank you.